Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. Chris, looks like a decent spring day on tap for the high plains.
Yeah, Joe, we're still watching this upper level low that's slowly trying to get out of here, and it's cut off from the main jet. Didn't bring the much precipitation as we thought to the area because it took a further south track, but it is still spinning over Missouri and eventually pulling away. So today, what is different than yesterday is we probably won't see those afternoon scattered hit and miss showers and little downpours. It's going to be far enough away that we'll be in full sunshine, dry air is moving in from the west and southwest with those winds turning that direction and being light at 5 to 15 miles per hour. But that direction does push drier air in, and that upper level low will move out of the area to not have any precipitation. So we're starting out here this morning. We got that west southwesterly wind at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures are the coolest in Burlington at 39, 42 in Goodland, 45 in Colby, 43 in Oberlin, and 42 in McCook. With that west southwesterly wind throughout the afternoon, we'll see high temperatures bounce up into the middle to upper 70s. It'll be full sunshine, and tonight's lows will be in the upper 40s. And then as we start moving into tomorrow and into the middle of the weekend, we're going to see high pressure building in from the west. Once that ridge is over us, say Sunday, Monday, that's when we're going to see those south-southwesterly winds really pick up and increase, maybe some gusts 20 to 40 miles per hour. So with temperatures today in the upper 70s, and then tomorrow lower 80s, Sunday lower 80s, there on Monday, Tuesday, we'll definitely be going into the middle 80s and could be elevating some fire weather concerns as well with those gusty winds and the dryness that we're experiencing. In yesterday's drought monitor, we were seeing areas to the west of Rawlins County and in Cheyenne County being not in any drought classification. It has updated and put them in the abnormally dry, and everything to the east on Highway 36 of Atwood is in moderate drought. So we've got dryness as far as drought conditions in place, and with this warmer, drier weather forecasted at least through Tuesday of next week, we're going to see issues with that. Elevated fire concerns are a possibility, and also the corn planting is going to be something that's really of concern. Is do you go out and do it or not do it? Is it too dry? And that, but looking ahead, there is a pattern switch. It looks like by the end of next week, we're going to start to see a couple troughs coming in the 8 to 14 day from the west. That'll give us rain chances again. It looks like starting Wednesday night, we'll have a front go through. That low is kind of tracking up to the north through Nebraska and the Dakotas. It could swing a line of thunderstorms through in the evening overnight. And then as we see more disturbances working in Thursday, maybe Friday, we'll see probably one over the weekend, and maybe another early next week. As there's a couple troughs coming through, we'll see increased chances for showers and storms those days, and temperatures more seasonal in those 70s, lower 80s, and overnight lows back into the 40s. Which is a little bit more normal for this time of year.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather streaming channel for KYVZ Radio. I'm Joe Vazurek.